Today we're going to be customising an eBook section layout in Scrivener 3 for Windows. We're using the novel template, but this applies to all templates. So in Compile, select the eBook format you want and click onto the eBook format in the list. You can, in the section layout panel, double-click on the actual layout you want to change, or you can right-click on the format. Either way, you're prompted to duplicate and edit format. This opens up a new screen where you can define your new format. First of all, by giving it a name under Format Name. Beneath that, you have the option to save to Project Formats or My Formats. Project Formats is specific to this project. My Formats will make it accessible in other projects. In the right-hand panel are the section layouts. Some are highlighted in bold, which are the ones selected in the Section Layouts panel, but you can click on any of the layouts to change them. eBook formatting options work slightly differently from Microsoft Word formatting because of the restrictions imposed on ebooks. For example, in the section text, so the bulk of your ebook, you can't just click onto the text and format away as you could for Microsoft Word when we looked at it. You have to click on the pull-down menu below the box and select one of the options: Custom, Editor and Default Paragraph. Editor will represent what is on your editor page as best as an ebook can, which won't necessarily be perfect. Custom formatting removes all formatting so you can start again. I would not suggest doing the latter, because ebooks have a lot of very specific formatting that you cannot override, such as font, and your changes might not work, and you'll simply get frustrated. Edit Default Paragraphing takes you to another section of this Compile window where you can change the default indent level if you want. What you can do though is change the number of capitalized words you see at the beginning of the first paragraph of each section, or remove them completely under New Pages, and decide if you want these on the sections or just the chapter beginning. It's also where you can add drop caps, but I'm not going to do that here as I want to do a dedicated video on that after a little experimentation, as this is a new feature. Now let's look at a double title. Clicking on these does give you all the formatting options. However, trying to take your title beyond 16 point will end in disappointment, and changing alignments doesn't always turn out well. That largely leaves you with just bold, italics and upper and lower case to play with, the latter of which you can change under the title options, either globally, for both titles, or individually. When you're done with your changes, click Save. Next time we'll be talking about adding a new section layout to give you more options when formatting your manuscript.